So my name's Robin Bell and I'm a professor here in the School of Public Health and Preventive Medicine at Monash. I'm Deputy Director of the Women's Health Research Program, so that's the aspect of my work which is about research. I also look after the teaching from the School of Public Health and Preventive Medicine into the medical school at Monash. And I also teach into a number of other programs, but my primary responsibility is the teaching from this school into the undergraduate medical program. So I started teaching at Monash over 10 years ago, and I actually started as a tutor teaching medical students with Mike Abramson. What I enjoy most about the teaching experience is actually being in the classroom with the students. So whether it's teaching a large group in a lecture theatre or a small group in a tutorial room, I always find engaging with the students is a very positive experience. And for all what I might teach them, they always teach me something new. I think that the challenges of teaching public health in particular, I think the biggest challenge is keeping the material really up to date. It's important to keep students engaged, so it's not a topic that you can just keep teaching in the same way every year. So I always update the examples that I use. I think the students that I'm going to teach next year in first year will have been born in the year 2000, and I think we have to be really cognizant of the fact that they are truly millennials, and we need to really keep them engaged and keep them interested, so the material has to be very topical. Okay, so I would strongly advise young researchers to get involved with teaching. I think it's a very useful skill to have. I think it's one way of really understanding the material that you teach, because if you can teach something to someone, I think it requires that you really understand it at a very basic level. I would also encourage young researchers to get some qualifications in teaching. So I don't think they should just assume that if you know something about a topic that you can teach it. I think there are a lot of useful skills that you can acquire by getting some formal training in teaching.